Okay. Actually, I prefer some greeting in Dutch, but half of you guys not Dutch, right? Yeah. Goedenavond. Quite. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you for being here today. I'm so happy to share my story with you. And I'm Jong. My full name is Jong Eun Lee. And I found some very similar words, my name in Dutch, Jongen. Jongen means a boy, right? Right? Yeah, Jongen. Yeah, but yeah, I'm not a boy, and I'm parents of two kids. Yeah, and I ran your studio based in Seoul, South Korea, and actually, my studio has only two members, my wife and I. And my wife, a UX designer, and I'm a developer. And so, yeah. And web and mobile, I have been in this game for 7 years. Same my wife. And actually, I have, yeah. I remember this one time when I was working at my first job, and my boss gave me two options. Yeah, which project do you want? ActionScript and JavaScript. Yeah, actually, what do you choose? Yeah, I choose ActionScript because it was 2009. Yeah. At the time, ActionScript is quite popular. Right? But now, yeah, ActionScript almost non-existent, and so. But I learned from that. Yeah, Flex. Yeah, Flex. Do you know Flex? Yeah, based on ActionScript, and like very similar to Flash, and Flex has also MVC concept. Yeah, so it's very I understand. Yeah. What does mean MVC concept from Flex, so I can easily to understand JavaScript MVC concept. So I cannot forget 2010 because at the time I launched my first iOS app. Yeah, it written in Objective-C, so it related to FIFA World Cup. Yeah, I love soccer. Yeah. Yeah, it looks like this. Yeah. That's quite great, right? No? Yeah. Unfortunately, there are only few users use this app because I launched too late, right before semifinal. Yeah. So yeah, after that I searched another mobile development tool for faster developing. So that's what I met Titanium. So I love Titanium. Yeah. So I'm organizer of Titanium Korean community. So there are about 300 registered developers, and when you have a meetup, on very similar, yeah, 50 to 30 people attend. Yeah. And today, yeah, I'd like to talk about Titanium tool. Yeah, and developer love tools, and there are millions of tools out there. Why I don't know why some. Yeah, okay, yeah. Some out there. And I love UltraNav keyboard. Do you know UltraNav keyboard? No? Yeah, it's this track point. Yeah, with venerable IBM computer. Yeah, I love that because I don't have to move my finger to the trackpad. So I use that even I work with MacBook. Yeah. So and I love Dash and Alfred. Do you know Dash and Alfred. Yeah. Yeah, Alfred is kind of launch, kind of launcher application for iOS, kind of Spotlight, but it has a more powerful feature, kind of the workflow. And
it's only in the paid version that works.
Yeah. If I can add some feature to Alfred, the launch, this kind of function. And if I want to convert the opacity value to decimal with, I can write this kind of things, and and 0.3 means 40. Yeah, kind of there. We can easily to add some feature. Yeah. So, okay. What I really like about using this tool is that I can save time. Yeah. Appcelerator Studio is the most beloved tool by Titanium developers. Yeah. Over 50%. Yeah. I couldn't imagine developing an app without Appcelerator Studio because it saves so much time. However, I stopped using Appcelerator Studio since last summer. Yeah. So it brings me the two following things. Yeah. One is why I stopped using Appcelerator Studio, and second, how to develop without Studio. And so, why did I stop using Appcelerator Studio? There are three main reasons. One, not for free. Yeah, Appcelerator Studio is not for free. Actually, I love Titanium Studio because it's totally free, but Appcelerator Studio is not. I don't like this change. Yeah. So sorry for Appcelerator. Yeah. Yeah. And second, it's heavy. Yeah. Appcelerator Studio is based on Eclipse. Yeah. So Eclipse has so many features, but only few of them that I use, but I know only few of them. So maybe because of this reason, the Appcelerator Studio Eclipse is quite slow, and you can easily find the question on Google about how to speed it up. Yeah. Yeah, I know most of you guys found that tip, how to speed it up. And three, less hackable to me. Yeah, there is a way to add feature to Eclipse. Yeah, it's making a plugin, Eclipse plugin. So I searched on Google how to I make a plugin for Eclipse or Appcelerator Studio. I found some article on eclipse.org. The first step is getting ready to write Java code. Actually, I don't know about Java. I like JavaScript, so I couldn't write some plugin easily. So my dream tool is free, right, hackable. Yeah. That is, you know what? No! Yeah, that is Atom. Atom, yeah.
Oh, of course.
Yeah. There's a 1 million active Atom user out there, and it's grows very dramatically. Yeah, that's 3 times the number of active users they had just a year ago, and I hope it continue to grow. Yeah, I know Atom is not perfect, not yet, but we can easily to add a new feature to Atom. Yeah. Because Atom is the hackable editor in the 21st century. Yeah, GitHub, they say the Atom is like this. Yeah, on the GitHub Atom site. Yeah, you can easily find. Yeah, Atom is 100% open source, and we can access all code about Atom. And it's written in JavaScript. Yeah, we can read and we can write. Yeah, and it's designed for light core, more extensibility. Yeah, it's very similar to Titanium. Most of Titanium feature work as module, right? So we can easily to add a new feature. And so, for example, this is about view of Atom. It is package. If you don't want, yeah, you can remove. So, feature of Appcelerator Studio for Titanium can be divided into 4 categories, and editors, kind of autocomplete, and click to definition, and generating files means generate project file, project and module, and all like controller and that kind of thing, and settings, and download the new SDK, yeah, and build to emulator devices. We can do like this feature on Appcelerator Studio. So the first, yeah, Studio as an editor, API autocompletion, open related file, and snippet. Yeah, I love API autocompletion. Yeah, it's so amazing. There are actually Titanium has over tens over almost 10. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, almost 10,000 API and property and method. I can remember all of them. Yeah, so if I want to, yeah, so if without the autocompletion, I have to find the exact API name. Yeah, like using dash, yeah, that's right. Yeah, and also open related file. Yeah, on the Studio, yeah, you can easily to open the related file, and controller and view. Yeah, that's right there. Yeah, and also there are useful snippets for several API. Yeah, I hope that I can use this feature on Atom. So I made Atom package for titanium alloy. So yeah, my package main goal is the less typing for fast developing. So my Atom package has 4 components: autocomplete provider, hyperclick provider, and open related file, and language grammar. So I will show you about this and with demo. And first, autocomplete plus. Autocomplete plus is built-in Atom package. So it uses fuzzy matching algorithm. So, for example, if you want to type the background color, you can just type BGC, and after that, and you can find background color at first. So autocomplete has a powerful autocomplete provider API, and it's allowing package developer to add language-specific feature behavior to this package. So this is a autocomplete provider code. For the main part is the last part, suggestions, return suggestion array. So this is the autocompletion suggest list, and the main thing is the text. Text means the exact name of API, and the another thing, and left label, and the type is the kind of the description. Yeah. So in the beginning, I was a little lost because, how I don't know how can I get all the API, Titanium API, but you might know, the API.jsca file on the SDK folder, it has all about Titanium API, but its size over 30 megabyte. I don't want to my package hold quite big memory. So I wrote a script for reducing it, and my package used a small version of that file under 80 kilobyte. And I added more useful feature, which not have Appcelerator doesn't have, and controller widget model name and auto completion, and style name auto completion include app.js, app.tss, and I18 key, and more detail for value. Okay, I show you some how it works. This is a normal. This is a normal Titanium Alloy project, and auto completion work in JS and TSS and XML. So label ID. So in the TSS file, there is ID name labels, so I can easily find that kind of thing, and also class name also, and class there are many class name in index TSS, also app.tss, so you can easily like this for search. And style, also widget. You can easily find the widget name. And I have a 3 alloy controller, so require tag. Easily find. And also style name and model name. Also, you can easily to add text and IL parent text like this. And key is boy, and it's real text. So hello. And actually, I don't like to type more details, so it's kind of the value. Visible has only true and false. And font, for example, font has only that 5 key. So font size, font family, just type FF. And F font weight, and also layout has only 3 of them, and color has only I'm not good at English, so I forgot every time transparent spelling. So just TS, transparent, it's very helpful, and thank you. This is the detail of the auto completion. So, and another feature, Okay, I know I forgot the, yeah, Control F. Yeah, another big feature is hyperclick. Hyperclick made by the Facebook. Yeah, it make a text clickable like this. Yeah, so it has also provide API, so we can easily to add some specific behavior for Titanium. Yeah. So this is the sample of the hyperclick provider code that has only two key property: the range underline, which text, yeah, underline, and another is a callback. Callback means the function to call when the underlined text is clicked. Yeah, that's simple.
But do you have to configure it manually, or is it by default?
Yeah, actually, in Atom, it's a CoffeeScript is default.
Okay.
Yeah, so I read some article about that, and GitHub has a plan to remove CoffeeScript. They use the bubble, I heard. Yeah, but not yet. The CoffeeScript is default, and so but we can use bubble or some very normal ES5. Yeah, whatever we can use. Yeah.
But I think your question is, if you use the plugin, do you need to
Configure it manually, or
if you install the TitaniumNL plugin, it will do all of this.
Ah, yeah.
okay. Okay.
Thank you. So I added some more hyperclick, yeah, and generate. Yeah, I love this feature. Generate if not exist, handler and style, and I18N, and multiple destination style I18N. I show you. And first is generate. Yeah, generate. If I new class, so click hyperclick, generate style in like this.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, just this, and click and move to definition. Yeah, if not exist, add generate. So this has keyboard shortcut, Command Alt Enter. So my new Command Enter to enter and make this. So and also controller, also handler, yeah, to click to change function in JS. Yeah, and also yeah, this key I18N key, and also if you had some English and Korean and NL, and you can check the value of each. Yeah, it's cool, right? Yeah. Yeah, so, yeah, that's why, yeah. In Korean, hello buddy, yeah.
If you say so.
So.
Check it in Google Translate.
Yeah, yeah, it's not, yeah, it's really.
In the near future.
And, yeah, and multiple destination, yeah, it means kind of this. Watch this, label, yeah, label. There are 3 destination and platform specific rule and normal rule, and it has the style index. If there are same TSS rule in app.tss, yeah, under, yeah, here, and we can move app.tss. Yeah, this is a hyperclick. And open related file is already feature, but I added more things like this. Yeah. Okay. If I index JS, just open and Command Alt A, Control Alt A, open all related file, what you want, and you can change the layout on the package setting page.
This comes from Sublime plugin, right?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
And I always use the same layout then, like the exact same controller and view
Yeah.
and CSS. And then when I switched to Atom, there was no more this feature, so I had to always drag my tabs on the right space.
That's right. And actually, I use the wide screen, so I don't like this kind of 2-column layout. So if you want to 3-column and change, and like this, yeah. So actually, yeah, you can add more feature, yeah. Please make PR, yeah, yeah. And TSS grammar, yeah. It's for syntax highlighting, but grammar is tokenize the line of text. So every word, is tokenized, and they know. I don't know what this is, and key and value, and the selector's name, and platform and platform value. So we can use this information via on autocomplete or some hyperclick. So it's a very basic package feature. So, but this is this code, but making a grammar is too annoying, because all of this is using regular expression and tokenizing and give some name. What is this? Punctuation, and also in class name. Class starts dot and name, and each name is attribute name. Class, and if ID start to sharp, like that. And this part, actually I use the same name with the CSS, because I want to, because if you, I'm more detailed. Yeah, you can, if you want to know what's the name of this cursor position, and Command Alt P, you can see the scope name. Scope means kind of the tokenized name. So the first is the file name, and second is the selector. Means this part is the selector name part, and an ID. Yeah. Actually, this part has the same class name with this scope name. What I mean is, and this text label, sharp label, has the class name is the same the scope name. It means the name of the name. Name means the style. So I use the same name with CSS, because if you change the theme file, yeah, it doesn't matter. Yeah, this looks very similar in CSS, like this.
So that's because you have the CSS class in there. It will adopt everything that a theme normally does for CSS.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, most of the theme has those CSS syntax highlighting. So like this, in same color, using same color. ID is blue. Yeah, ID is blue and kind of this. So yeah, actually, yeah, I showed my package's features, and but there when using Atom, there is another problem, kind of that generating file, project and alloy controller, widget and model, and I use TI create package. Yeah, yeah, it's very similar Sublime, and you can easily find the command, package command, and TI create, yeah, controller. So, but very useful because it has a fuzzy search also, and TICC and Titanium create controller, and controller name and my controller 2, and make this very similar studio, and yeah, with the Appcelerator Studio, we don't use, yeah, there are no necessary to use Titanium CLI, but Atom, yeah, we have to use CLI, and when I build to iOS device, yeah, I have to type like this, so it's too long. So, but there is a TN, yeah, focus module, and I make my recipe and I device. So, but TN has also very many recipes, so I can remember all recipe name. So I wrote some, yeah, bash script, a shell script to autocomplete for TN, and there is a guess, and you can how to set this completion. And it works like this, and just TN. Actually, TN has so many recipes, so, but TNI font, yeah, like this. So typeless, and so where is my slide? Yeah. And Titan, and for setting and updating, and I use just, but there is no Atom package for this, so I use CLI. And when I download new SDK, and I'm using FCTISK install. So, and additional tips. Yeah, if you want to make PR, yeah, to my package, yeah, so I want to show how to develop the Atom package process, that's process. The APM is Yeah, not Apache, not MySQL, yeah, PHP. So Atom Package Manager, like npm. IPM and dev means APM is install Titanium Alloy, and you can install my package via CLI. But APM dev means you can install this package for developing. So, and you can launch the Atom editor with -d. This means launch in dev mode. So actually I launched this Atom in dev mode. This means this sign is dev mode. It means it uses package for developing. So there are package list, and on the bottom of that has development package and Titanium Alloy. So I open. I already opened this. Yeah, this is my package.
Do you develop your package in Atom?
Pardon?
Well, you develop your package
Yeah.
while it is running your package.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's the funny thing. Building stuff for building stuff, kind of that. Yeah. Yeah. And if you make some change, and you can check it work or not. And but reloading package take for a long time, like this. Yeah, several seconds. Yeah, if you make some change and check, and too annoying. But there is one very beautiful package. Yeah, that's not my package, but hot package loader, kind of the tight shadow, and check and change, make a change and check. Yeah, it's live load. So if you developing an Atom package, you have to use this. And there are a lot of useful package, but I choose only two. What I use, and expand region is very useful. Kind of if you want to some XML, just make Alt and up key and expand the selection, and down key is so it's very useful, kind of this, and only first part, and expand. Very useful. And also Atom Beautify is formatting package. Yeah, it supports several languages, also TSS.
CSS.
Yeah, so like this.
Does it have an API as well?
Pardon?
Does it has an API as well? Because I found that when I use Atom Beautify on a TSS file, it removes all the white spacing
Yeah.
of different selectors.
That's right. Yeah. So I report some issue about that and on that repository. So, but not work perfectly. But if there are some setting. So I want to remain this blank line. So, and I cannot remember how can I do that, but you can change some of your config of, like this. Beautiful. Yeah.
I need to figure out how to do it.
Mm-hmm.
Frustrating.
Yeah. So Yeah. That's the, yeah.
You also mentioned that one of the tools that you use is Dash
Dash.
for offline documentation.
Oh yeah.
So there's also a Atom plugin for integrating that, right?
Yeah, but I just installed, but I don't know exact what they work and what's the good feature.
That's a package I use a lot in Atom because it just anywhere where you are, you just hit. I believe it is. I don't know. I know it by muscle memory, but it's Control H or something, and it opens up Dash with the Titanium documentation right there for that API. So
Yeah.
I use that a lot because I don't know these thousands.
Yeah. And also, yeah, and also I use source tree. Do you know source? Do you? Yeah. And has a package, source tree, opening source tree this project, and just and like this. It's very useful. And Atom made by GitHub, so Atom has very specific feature related with GitHub. If this source like this, if this project has GitHub repository like this, you can easily open GitHub history. GitHub history about this file and click provider, and you can easily open GitHub. Yeah, like the history and URL and issue, open issue. It's useful. Yeah, I want to mention about very minor thing. Yeah. GitHub. Yeah. Atom has some very color sign in front of line number, like this. Okay. Can you see that? Oh, sorry. Yeah, and new line is green and modified line is yellow. And sometimes this is very helpful, and also this okay.
And you also can make a push. You can also comment afterwards.
Pardon?
You can afterwards comment it and push it to GitHub.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. And you can check the status, what file changed. Yeah.
Directly without commenting it.
Yeah. Just status, what file modified or what is the new file. Yeah. Not plugin, just default plugin, and you can get status fine, and just I modified this file, and you can open the only modified file, and also there are several very good packages. Actually I don't prepare another package because I assume that you are already use Atom, but only 4K use that. So I show you some other very good things. Merge complete. It's very useful. And the bottom of the complete area, and click and move that area, and you can use which part, head or tails. very,
I understand why
yeah,
they're growing right now.
yeah, it's very useful.
Making life so much easier.
Yeah. So, yeah, Atom actually Atom written in JavaScript. So there is so many developer can make a package. So there are so many packages for developer themselves. Right? So there are very fantastic tools out there.
This one, what's the name?
Folk
The name
can
of
put it on the
Yeah.
folk
Merge conflict.
Oh, that's a nice one too.
Yeah.
folk can put it on the meetup page.
Sure.
All the packages.
Yeah. So many packages. So actually, I have some plan. I have some plan package for TiTishadow. Actually, TiTishadow. Yeah. Actually, using Atom know what file changed. So I thought that if I made TiTishadow package, and it make build more faster. Yeah. So just plan. Yeah. So, is there any other?
Can you maybe share the whole list? Or
How many packages
Yeah.
do you have?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I send a list, full list. Yeah.
Export your configuration.
Yeah. Yeah.
At some point, I was uninstalling some packages because I thought it would make my Atom slower. Timing was really slow, and I wonder now if they fixed some major performances issues, because it's way faster for sure. Still slow sometimes, but it's work in progress.
And that's why I switched back to Sublime, because
Yeah.
it was sometimes so slow.
In particular, large files, it's huge. When I need to check a long log file or something, I open it in Sublime.
Yeah. That's right. Me too. Yeah. The open large file or the minified file, kind of the only one line.
Yeah.
Yeah, only one line, and yeah, Atom has not bad performance about that. So, but I hope that it will improve, yeah, in near future. And actually, Atom launch performance is so bad about few months ago, but it's improved very dramatically.
That's way better.
Yeah. So actually, there are so many Atom plugins, but it means there are so many plugins make your Atom too slow. So it's So it's necessary. It's make your Atom is slow or not, and you can easily to check about that. Just click the click this at startup time. But my package make your Atom a little slower. Kind of that. Woo! Yeah. But you can improve this. You can improve this.
Do you have any idea why it's taking?
Yeah. Actually, unloading the using load all Titanium API information. So I make this lazy loading. So it's better. And also, most of the package they has only one feature, but my package has several features, and hyperclick and grammar and autocomplete. Yeah. So it may take us some time. Okay. This is closing part. Yeah, making tool is super exciting because it solves our own problem. But we are often faced with dilemma. Yeah. How much time do I need to develop this tool? And versus how much time does this tool save? So sometimes yeah, yeah. This is more, yeah. But after uploading my tool on GitHub, and this dilemma disappeared because it can save my time and other developer time. So it's very exciting thing. And I love TiShadow and TN and Tycoons. And a few days ago, I saw this tweet. I have TiShadow running for 5 hours per day. Probably save me an hour daily. Yeah, me too. Yeah, it's very helpful. So don't be afraid to develop tool and share and others. And
how much time did it take to develop this plugin?
Yeah.
Package
Actually, it takes
a lot of time because you
take a lot of time. Yeah, because I'm
the auto completion. What I saw was really nice, and that took a long time.
Yeah, actually, the big difficult thing is the language. What I mean is some package, hyperclick. Hyperclick is use Babel, and autocomplete use CoffeeScript. Yeah, so I'm not familiar both of them. So, and sometimes very confused. What? Yeah, coffee and Babel. Yeah, so it's annoying. But already I said, GitHub has a plan to remove CoffeeScript from Atom. Yeah, so after that, I convert my package also. So yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's. And feel free to contact me, and my ID is You My Baby, and on Twitter and GitHub. Yeah. Thank you for listening. Yeah.